Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful 1983 Honda TLR 200. So 1 year only, these TLRs, very popular obviously for the trial community, particularly in the kind of classic or vintage trial runs. This one has its actual toolkit in there and everything else with it, and insurance papers that are from Japan. It's road registered as well, which is really big to make note of, so you have papers with a bike and you can ride it to the trial if you're close by, or ride it down to whatever you want to do, so you don't have to transport it everywhere. It's a big plus, and to have papers with a bike makes the value of the bike much higher overall, broadly, than no papers at all. Bike is in very nice condition. Tires, the front and rear, are good. It's running superbly well, which you'll hear later. Goes first kick. It's stating only 5,949 kilometers done on it. Condition is good, but you know, it's a trials bike at the end of the day. It does have some little signs of kind of wear, but the bash plate on it is actually really good, which is a good indication it hasn't been absolutely battered. But everything else on the bike is really quite nice. On the left hand side though, the exhaust, all really nice condition. Shock, side stand, everything like that, all very true bike to itself, original, not been messed with, and yeah, exactly the way you would want it. Original mirrors even. And that's the TLR 200, 6-volt battery. We've got the lights working, it's ready to rock, and let's go have a look at how she rides. Okay, let's see if we can get this started first time with a kick. Get over the bike properly. Look at that, first time. Lovely stuff. Should have wiped the seat so I at least have. Now I'm not going to do a full ride around on this thing because the way this bike is geared is it's not set up for street use really, so it's not the most comfortable thing ever sitting on it. I shouldn't even really be sitting on it. I should be doing this, but we'll go around anyway nonetheless. Turn right out here. Go through all the gears, and we'll head up here to the left hand side and just check that everything is working on the bike, and then that'll be kind of it. I mean, the bike running, stopping, starting, and let me just check the brakes. Yep. So that's kind of it for this TLR. I'm not going to do anything major. Again, you know, it's not really meant for going around on the street, but it can do it. As you can see here, taking a selfie of herself, very good. Turning right signal, when you rev the bike you'll see it come on. All those indicators, lights, everything like that. Let me see, horn. Remember, it's only a 6-volt battery as well. So that's the Honda TLR 200. All up, running, starting, stopping, going, all the rest of it. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.